Hello my friends, how are you today? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to the fam. My name is Ina Pandora and I am a makeup artist in Central Florida. Today we are going to be doing this fun look. I finally got my hands on the Essential palette from sigmabeauty in collaboration with Stephanie Lange. I definitely understand the meaning behind it as essential because you have all those cool warm tones. I believe this side is for your face, and honestly I think these tones for the darker skin tones are not gonna be really good to bronze up and contour. However, the highlighter is really nice. It's very pretty. At the end of the day, you can use these colors for your eyes. They're absolutely gorgeous colors. I did few looks when I was in North Carolina. Actually, this is the only palette I took with me and never looked back. I loved it. Sigma and Stephanie, you definitely did a really good job on it. My only problem with this is not dark skin tone friendly. However, light to medium, you guys are gonna love these colors. You are going to love this palette. It's absolutely gorgeous. This black is true black and the white. Without me rambling too much, let's get into it. For my eyebrows, I use the anastasiabeverlyhills brow pomade in the shade Ash Brown. I'm going to speed up through this process as I think the brows are really boring part of the makeup routine. But if you guys want a dedicated video on how I do my brows, please comment down below and let me know. To prime my eyes, I'm going to be using Plouisebase in the shade 02. Now, since I got this base, I've learned that it's best to work on one eye at a time because once the base is drying out, the shadows actually don't stick very well to your eyelids. So that's one thing I've learned and I'm sharing with you guys. But so far, I've been really enjoying it. And I am starting with the color Storm. It's a deep brown color. All I'm doing is just dabbing it in, packing the color on in the outer corner of my eye. Now with a bigger fluffy brush, I am adding the color Dusk. It's a kind of a mauvey grayish color to which kind of fits perfectly and blends in really well with our Storm color. I am applying all around the edge and also bringing it a little bit in the inner corner. Now the color Metal I'm adding to the first half of my eyelid. I've learned that this shade in particular is best applied with your finger or a synthetic brush. Then I'm packing it in a corner the color Snow. Seriously, these white and gold colors together are mesmerizing. They're so pretty, aren't they? For the eyeliner, I'm using the gel eyeliner from L'Oreal Infallible. This one is in the Blackest Black. Honestly, it's the best drugstore eyeliner that I know of. It's very waterproof, weatherproof, and so on. It stays put, and from my experience, lasts all day long. Plus, the color is so deep, it's like literally Blackest Black. Now, if you guys have interest of any products that I'm using today, make sure to check the description box because I have them all linked down there. Most of the links that I provide, guys, in the description box, they are affiliated and I do earn a little commission out of it. It doesn't reflect on the price or anything, but I do greatly appreciate the support. Now with the color Rocker, I'm adding intensity on the outer corner of the line, basically all the way to where my eyeliner ends. Now you want to add a little bit at a time, don't put too much product at once, and if you feel like you added too much and it bleeded into your crease, just grab a clean brush and blend it out. It's okay to go back and forth as that is the secret to a perfect blending. Then a little bit of mascara. I do love to put mascara before my lashes. For the lashes, I'm using the Ebinnewyork 3D lashes in the style December. If you're looking for affordable but beautiful lashes, I would definitely recommend them. To prime my face, today I'm going to be using the Smashbox Pore Minimizing Primer. If you have fine lines and enlarged pore, this definitely smooths out the texture. For the foundation today, I'm using the Maybelline Super Safe Foundation in combination with my blendsmart rotating brush. I do love this brush because it blends any foundation seamlessly. It leaves your skin like it's airbrushed and also saves you a lot on how much foundation you're going to use on your face too. Plus it massages and deep puffs your skin as well by helping the circulation going. To contour my face today, I'm using the kvdveganbeauty contour palette, the cream one, and of course I'm going to contour my face with the same rotating brush. Like, take a look how easy it is to contour your face using this brush. It does the job for you. That's why I'm so obsessed with it. Definitely doing my face and contour in general, never been easier and faster. For the under eyes, I'm going to go in with the same foundation and beauty blender. I do love to use the beauty blender underneath, and simply because we have more sensitive skin, so it's important to be a little more gentle. To contour my nose, I'm using P87 Edge Precision brush from sigmabeauty. I do think this brush is absolutely amazing for this purpose. It kind of gives me more control over where I want my products to go and how it works with the products too. Sometimes the tools are crucial for a flawless result, and I think this is definitely the case. For the blush today, I'm using Milani Rose Romance. It's a beautiful blush. I didn't realize my camera stopped recording, but you kind of can see what beautiful color it is. To powder my face today, I'm using Bitebeaty, a change maker in the shade Light 2. It's a pressed powder. It's a little heavier, but I kind of like the texture and how it smooths my skin a little bit. It doesn't feel too heavy, so that ended up being perfect. To highlight my face today, I'm using Juviasplace in the shade, it's a loose highlighter in the shade Heroine, and oh my god, take a look at this highlighted face. Isn't this absolutely amazing? I'm obsessed. For the lipstick today, I'm using the liquid lipstick from kvdveganbeauty in the shade Vampira. To ensure that our makeup is gonna last all day, I'm using the setting spray from kvdbeauty. This is all for today. Let me know in the comments down below if you have any questions, any suggestions about my next video, what you guys want to see. Other than that, thank you for watching. I love you all, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, loves.